guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I am the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you how you can create animated art in Adobe Photoshop CC. Let's start, guys. I have opened my time-lapse video I recorded using my iPhone. And now I would like to scale down size of this layer. So I have highlighted my move tool and I will try to scale down size of my layer. But Photoshop is alerting that before I will scale down size of my video layer, I need to convert this layer to a smart object. Yes, please Photoshop. And now I can scale size down of my movie layer. Just like that. Also, I can reposition my layer as well. And I will click OK to accept all changes. Now, guys, I will close my video group. I will create a new empty layer above my video group layer, and I will increase length of this new layer. Also, guys, I will rename my new layer to the frame, just like that. I will go to filter, render, picture frame. Here, guys, we have many different wonderful choices for our frame, so we can use any frame we want to. Today I will be using art frame. You can use any frame you want to, guys. It's your art, it's your inspiration. So I will click on art frame. I will change color. I will make it probably a little bit darker. Yes, like that. Also, let me see. I will increase margin to 15. I will bring down arrangement to 9. And I'm pretty much happy with what I'm having right now. I will click OK. Now, time to resize my frame to fit my video layer. Just like that, guys. Nothing too complicated. Maybe something like this. Let's see. Yes, I'm happy with my frame. Now, I will highlight my video group layer. I will create a new layer above it. I will increase length of my new layer, and I will rename my new layer to the tree number 1, just like that. I will go to filter, render, trees, tree layer. Here, guys, again, from the drop down menu, you can choose any tree you want to. Today I will be using a redwood tree. What I will do, I will increase leaf size. I will bring branch height to 116, just like that, and I will click OK. Because, guys, I created my tree using separate layer, I can modify my tree in any way I want to. So what I will do, I will resize it and I will move it to the side, just like that. But I have some problem here, guys. My part of my tree is sticking out under my tree. What I will do, I will go and highlight my rectangular marquee tool. I will select a part of sticking out tree and I will click delete, and voila. Select, deselect. And now, guys, I will create a new layer. Same step, I will increase the length of my layer. I will rename my layer to the tree number 2. And no surprise in here, I will go to filter, render, tree. I will be using same tree, but I will apply few modifications. First of all, I will decrease a leaves amount, just like that. Leaf size, and also I will move branches high slider to the right. So right now I have specified branches high to 161, and I will click OK. And again, because I created my tree using separate layer, I can modify my tree in any way I want to. What I will do, I will just slightly move to the right side. And same problem, I have sticking out part of my tree under the frame. I will go to rectangular marquee tool. I will select a sticking out part and I will click delete, and voila. Select, deselect. What I will do right now, guys, I will merge my trees layers, just like that. and I will go to adjustment. I will click on exposure, and I will click apply clipping mask. So right now I will apply adjustment only to the layer below my adjustment. In this case, I will apply adjustment layer, exposure adjustment only to my trees. So basically I will increase exposure just like this. I will go to adjustments. I will click on color lookup. I will click on create a apply clipping mask one more time, and I will click on full colors look like this. Because guys, I applied my adjustment layers as a separate layer, I can modify my adjustment layers at any time. What I will do, I will click on exposure, and I will bring down opacity of my exposure adjustment just like this. Now guys, what I will do, I will highlight my video group layer. I will click on create a new layer. I will increase a height of my new layer, and I will rename this layer to background. Just like that. Background. Just like that. And I will restack this layer. I will bring this layer under my video group layer. I will change color. I will use probably something more inviting, more warm, something, let's see, maybe something blue. What do you think, guys? Yes, let's use, I will use kind of dark color to have more contrast, just like this. I will go to paint basket, and I will click on my new empty layer, just like that, guys. And now I will highlight my top layer, my frame layer. I will go to adjustment. I will click on exposure, and I will apply global exposure. By global exposure, I mean I will apply exposure to all my layers. Let's see what I will do. I will move exposure slider slightly to the right, and perfect. Time to apply another adjustment. I will click on adjustments. I will click on color lookup. I will apply same global adjustment. I will click on full colors look, and voila. And again, guys, because I applied adjustments as separate layer, I can modify any adjustment layer. In this case, I will modify my top adjustment layer, color lookup. I will bring down opacity of this layer, just like that. And time to preview our file, just like that. Guys, how cool is it? You can add as many trees as you want to. You can apply as many layers as you want to. Everything is up to you. It's your art, guys. It's your imagination. Do whatever you want. So guys, thank you very much for being with me. I hope you liked this tutorial. If so, subscribe to my channel, share my video, and I will see you next time. And by the way, if you have any questions, please ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Thank you, guys. See you later. Bye.